Hello everyone, welcome once again to another exciting moment with Namay Creations. Today I'll be talking about search engine optimization. Have you ever heard of search engine optimization? Do you really know how it works? And do you really know how to implement it on your YouTube videos when uploading them? This works like magic. Now I don't want to waste much time into making this video, so we are going to hop directly onto upload. So let's see, create. So when you come to your dashboard, just go to your upload videos and then select files. Now the kind of video you want to use, if the video is not saved with the title of the video, then I think you have to edit it. Okay, so this is the, let me see, where's the video? This is the video I want to use, and I've changed the name to Get 1000 Subscribers for Free. If your video is saved with another name aside the title you want to use, then please rename it before you upload it. Okay, so by rename, you can right click. When you right click, it will give you the option to rename. Okay, when you click on rename, you name it the way you want to. Okay, so do that before you upload it onto your channel. So with this Get 1000 Subscribers for Free, that's the video I want to upload. So click on upload and it is going to upload here. All right, so as you can see, because I have saved the video name with Get 1000 Subscribers for Free, the title automatically comes as Get 1000 Subscribers for Free. You understand? So it's like it's correlating. That is the power of search engine optimization. You have to make sure most of the things you are putting in your description correlates with the video. Okay, the keyword, that's 1000 subscribers, is the keyword free. Do you understand? Make sure they are mostly seen in your videos, in your description, and that is going to help push your videos out easily. All right, so Get 1000 subscribers for free. You can add on, okay, maybe a must watch, or a must watch for all YouTubers. A must watch. So you write something like this: Get 1000 subscribers for free, a must watch. All right, the must watch is not your key word, just to put some touch to it. Okay, why this description is already here is because I have automated it. Okay, I have already automated it, and in one of my videos I taught on how to make a default setting on your channel, so that anytime you upload, you don't need to be typing all this again. They will automatically upload onto your channel. So I want to add something to this, so just click here and enter. So in the first 200 words of this video, I want the title, that's the keyword, to appear in the first 200 words of this video. So it has to be appear, let me see, it shouldn't be forced, like Get 1000. You have to write it in a friendly way, or something like you are explaining something to people. So I'll start like struggling with subscribers. So struggling with subscribers, then full stop. So I have mentioned one of the keywords, that the subscribers, it's here. Okay, struggling with subscribers. If yes, then achieve your 1000 subscribers. Okay, using free methods I will show in this video. So you know the keywords are what? Subscribers, free, 1,000, okay, 1,000 subscribers, free. So they are, I've used them in a sentence form. Okay, you don't just have to copy everything and paste it here, you have to use it in a sentence form. Okay, so in your description it says struggling with subscribers? If yes, then achieve your 1,000 subscribers using free methods I will show in this video. Okay, kindly watch to the end. Kindly watch to the end for more insights. Full stop. Then down here you can write, welcome to Namay Creations. We discuss everything. This is a default setting I've made, so on all my videos it's going to appear. Right, so everything here. Then let's turn your YouTube dreams into reality in one video at a time. Subscribe, grow, and all that, you understand. So this is the default setting and it's going to appear on all my videos, you understand. Kindly support this channel by subscribing for free, liking, commenting, and sharing. Okay, so once you are done with this, you have optimized this side. Your video is in tune with the title. Description, you have the words of the title in your description. The next place will be your tags. The next place will be your thumbnail. So let's upload our thumbnail. So our thumbnail also should be in tune with the title of the video. Okay, and if you haven't saved your thumbnail, the title of the thumbnail is different from the title of the video, you can also edit it before you upload. Okay, so let me see if I have any thumbnail here which correlates with this. Okay, so I have get 1,000 subscribers for free, but it's saved as do these simple things, and I don't want to upload it with this do these simple things. Okay, so I want to rename it. So let's rename to get 1,000 subscribers for free, then enter. Okay, so it's saved with that name, so you click on that and then you click open. Okay, so as you can see, get 1,000 subscribers for free, that is on the thumbnail, that is the name I've saved with it. Okay, and the title is also get 1,000 subscribers for free. So this is like everything about your video is get 1,000 subscribers for free, you understand. The thumbnail says it, the video says it, your title in the description is in it. So it's like you are optimizing searches so that anytime people type how to get 1,000 subscribers, you will just pop up because you have optimized everything which makes your video talks about. I mean, you have optimized everything in your video, and it shows that you are really talking about getting 1,000 subscribers for free, do you understand? Okay, so after doing this, the next thing is your tags. That will be the last thing, the tags. So with the tags, what I normally do is I type in the title of the video, get 1,000 subscribers for free. That's the first tag I'm going to use. Okay, so get 1,000 subscribers for free, then comma. Okay, the rest of the tags I'm going to pick it from Rapid Tag Generator. That's what I've been using, Rapid Tag Generator. So you just go and copy your title, yeah, then copy, go to Rapid Tag Generator. Okay, when you go to Rapid Tag Generator, just paste your title and enter. It is going to generate all the tags you would need to post on your videos. Okay, I think I'm having issues with the so let me type get 1000 subscribers for free. Then must watch. So I just have 3 here. Let's add how to get how to get 1000 subscribers for free. Okay, and take this off. Oh, I made a mistake on how. How to get 1000 subscribers for free. So these are the tags rapid tag generator give me. Just 1, 2, 3. Okay, so copy the tags, go to your channel where you are making your videos, where you are making your editing, the network, and then paste the tags it will give you. Okay, after you can add on as many as you can. Okay, as many as you can, you can add on to the tags, but make sure that the title of the video gets 1000 subscribers for free will be part of the tags. Okay, so that it will draw people to this page when they go to the search button to search for something related to getting 1000 subscribers for free. You understand? So that's about that. So this is how to optimize your video to be able to appear quickly on YouTube search results. Okay, that is explanation for search engine optimization. You get it? Make sure your video, the video you made, after saving it on your phone or on the laptop, rename the video to the title you are thinking of or the keywords of the title. Okay, so maybe it could be get 1000 subscribers. Maybe for free will not be part. Okay, but get 1000 subscribers is the main keyword. You understand? And during your upload, editing it, you can add more words to it to make it user friendly or to make it relatable. Do you understand? So get 1000 subscribers for free and must watch free step-by-step tutorial or something. Then when you come to your description too, as I've already said, explain what you are talking about using the keywords of your title. So as you can see here, struggling with subscribers. So subscribers is in my title. If yes, then achieve your 1000. 1000 is in my title. Okay, using free methods. Free is in my title. Okay, so write something about your title in your description by breaking down the title within the description or within the sentence you are making. Okay, and when you go to ChatGPT, as I said, ChatGPT is also going to give you a description if you do not know what to write about your description. When you go to copy the topic, you go to ChatGPT, it's going to tell you exactly what to do, or it's going to give you exactly what you tell it to do. So you copy and paste it in your description. It's as simple as that. I've made a video on that, and the links are going to be in the description, or I'll put it up here somewhere. You can find it, watch, and it's really going to help you. All right, so that will be it for now. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Always remember to save your videos with the titles, your thumbnails, save it with the title. Your titles should be in correlation with the thumbnail and then the video. description, you should have some keywords in it. Your tags, you should have some keywords in it, and this is really going to help you to appear faster on the search results of YouTube. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, kindly give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share to as many as you can, comment, and let me know if you really enjoy this, if you really try this, and how the views and subscribers are going to be on your channel. Bye for now.